Let's take a look at how to use the UPB45 Paper Compactor. The air connection is on the side of the machine here. We connect the air supply to the fitting on the side. We also have what we call the bale release lever. We need to make sure that this is in the vertical position for normal operation. Our recommended air pressure to the machine is approximately 90 to 100 psi, or 6 to 7 bar. We'll open the door, we'll get the inside chamber set up. Inside, we want to pull the string down the back of the chamber so that the string is extended all the way out, so we can slide the door back over the string, and we'll attach that to the front of the door in a moment. Before that, we're going to take a piece of cardboard and position this on the bottom of the chamber to start the bale. We always start a bale with a piece of cardboard and we end it with a piece of cardboard. That's where it keeps everything connected together. Once we've done this, make sure the string stays out under the door. We then attach the string to the front here, making sure it's attached to the hooks on the front of the door. Reattach the locks on the side. We're now ready to start compacting masking film, masking paper and lightweight cardboard. So to start filling the UPB45 paper compactor with waste, we're going to lift the chute up here. We need to make sure that the ram is all the way up to the top of the machine, so we've got good access for throwing the waste inside. And all we do is we simply take our waste, throw this inside. Masking paper, lightweight cardboard, more paper, some masking film. Once we start to fill the chamber, we're going to make the first crush. To do this, we close the lid, pull the lever towards you to move the ram down. Once it goes quiet, we can then return the ram back up. Lift the lid and we'll see we've started to compact the waste. The teeth on the back and on the door will grip hold of the waste and keep that compaction down and make the whole process a lot more efficient, allowing you to throw more rubbish in there to keep compacting. Larger boxes such as this one we would want to cut up or compact a little bit before we put in, but it will take these larger boxes as well. More masking paper. Other boxes, and we'll compact again. Silence again, we'll return the ram back up. And as we slowly continue, you'll see that the waste is well compacted down the bottom here, giving us room to put more in. So you can compact bags full of rubbish as well, putting these inside. As we continue to bale and compact the rubbish, we check inside to see how far down the ram is, to see what space we've got left remaining. Once the ram reaches the bottom of the chute, that is the time to tie off your bale and remove the rubbish. As you can see here, we've got plenty more space for rubbish, but with all the rubbish we've piled inside, we're going to tie this off now to show you that process. First, we have to return the ram back up to the top of the machine. We then take a piece of cardboard to finish off the bale. If you remember, we start a bale with a piece of cardboard and we finish off with a piece of cardboard. We position this on top of the rubbish inside the bale. We then need to take the string from the back of the machine, bring this round the plate so it hooks into the notches at the front of the ram and at the front of the crusher plate. So we do the same with both sides. Once we've pulled the string round to the front of the crusher plate and locked it into the notches here, position the cardboard on the top we're ready to do one last compaction and compact the bale. Once the ram has gone fully silent, we've fully compacted the bale and we're ready to tie things off. Just before we open this door, we want to unhook the string from the front of the door so we can use that to tie the bale. If you remember how much rubbish we had at the side of the machine, you can see how efficient this has compacted it. There is still a large gap between the bottom of the chute and the ram, showing we can fit a lot more rubbish in here. To tie off the bale, we take the string that we had underneath the door, we maneuver it around the string at the top, and if we position our foot on the side just to stabilize it, and we pull this string as tight as we can go. We then loop this round to make a knot, making sure the bale is nice and secure. And when you've tied off both sides, if we've got any excess string here, you can use a pen knife or a Stanley knife just to cut that off. Then we need to release the string and release the bale from the string on top of the machine. So after we've removed the string, we're going to release the bale now. Move the lever on the side to the horizontal position. This will release the ram. Push the lever away and the ram will slowly come up to the top of the machine. The bale is now ready to be removed. To remove the bale, you simply position your hands at the back of the bale, put your foot on the side here and roll the bale out towards you. Once the bale's been removed, it's very simply and easily picked up and transported to the place where it needs to be disposed of. The UPB45 Paper Compactor will compact your waste masking paper, masking film, lightweight cardboard and general rubbish from other areas of your workshop. If you'd like any more information, please contact us at sales@unic.co.uk or info@unic.co.uk, or you can visit the website www.unic.co.uk. We look forward to hearing from you.